Hi, welcome to KimchiTech English. You can learn English easily. Here is how you do it. Do you know how babies start learning languages? The parents give basic words, and they start with basic conversation. After that, the baby repeat what the parents say. Repetition is crucial for mastering a new language. So if you want to learn English, this video is perfect for you.
May I join you?
Of course, I'd love some company.
Should we watch a movie tonight?
Yes, that sounds like a great idea.
I'll get some popcorn.
And I'll get something to drink.
Hello, I'm Robin.
Hi, I'm Mary.
Nice to meet you.
Pleased to meet you too.
Are you new here?
Yes, I am.
Where are you from?
I'm from Sydney, Australia.
What do you do?
I'm an accountant.
Oh, really? Where do you work?
I work in a finance company.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I love it.
Do you really like your job?
No, I hate it.
Where is your office?
I work from home.
Tell me something about your family.
Well, what would you like to know?
Are you married?
No, I'm not.
Do you have any brothers and sisters?
I have a brother. I don't have a sister.
Can I have a glass of water, please?
Sure, I'll bring it right away.
What would you like to have for dinner?
I'd like to have a South Indian dish.
Would you like a cup of tea?
Yes, please.
Do you need anything else?
No, thanks.
Are you hungry?
Yes, let's have something.
Do you like hot and spicy food?
No, I don't like spicy food very much.
How is the food?
It's delicious.
Where would you like to go on holiday?
I'd like to go to Paris.
How was your trip?
It was great.
Where did you stay?
We stayed in a hotel.
Was it cheap?
Yes, it was fairly cheap.
Was the food cheap too?
No, it was pretty expensive.
What did you do there?
We went sightseeing and horse riding.
Is there an ATM around here?
Yes, there is one next to the shoe shop.
Is there a drugstore near here?
It's over there, right behind you.
Where can I buy the bus tickets?
The ticket counter is on the first floor.
Where can I get a taxi here?
The taxi stand is on Royal Street.
How can I get there?
Go straight ahead until you reach the traffic light, then turn left.
What time does the train leave?
It departs at 5:45 p.m.
What time does the bus arrive?
It's time. It will be here any moment.
How are you?
I'm great, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Sheila.
Do you have a nickname?
No, I don't.
How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from the UK.
Where did you grow up?
I grew up in a town called Chelsea.
Where do you live?
I live in Kathmandu.
Are you married?
I'm not married.
What do you do?
I am an English teacher
Why are you so quiet?
because I am a shy person.
Why are you so shy?
I don't know. That's the way I am.
Why are you always so happy?
That's because I choose to be happy.
Why don't you like spicy food?
Because I can't digest it.
Why did you quit your last job?
Because it didn't pay well.
Why are you so busy?
Because I have a lot of work to finish today.
Why do you enjoy traveling?
Because I can see beautiful places.
Why do you like children?
Because they bring a smile to my face.
Why did you paint your room green?
Because I like green color.
Why can't you come with us?
Because I have work.
Why should I hire you for the job?
Because I have the skills.
Why don't you drink coffee?
Because it makes me feel sick.
Why do you like dogs?
Because they are loyal.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling fantastic.
Are you tired?
Not really.